Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 2 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x is equal to a square root of 6 to the power of x minus 9 to the power of x to find the values of x. In the first step, we square both sides of this equation, so it will be 2x minus 2 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x to the power of 2 is equal to this to the power of 2, and this to the power of 2 is 6x minus 9x, right? And in here, we expand this, it will be 2x to the power of 2, it will be 2 to the power of 2x, and minus 2 times 3 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x, right? 2 times this, and plus this to the power of 2, it will be 3 to the power of 2x is equal to, in here we have 6 to the power of x. 6 is 2 times 3, and we can write this as 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x. And in here, 9 is 3 to the power of 2. 9 is 3 to the power of 2, and to the power of x, we can write this as 3 to the power of 2x. So we write 3 to the power of 2x. In next step, we take this to this side, so it will be 2 to the power of 2x minus 2 times 3 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of 2x minus 2 to the power of x, this side, this to this side, it will be negative 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x, and plus 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 0. In next step, we take these two parts together and these three parts together, so it will be 2 to the power of 2x minus 2 times 3 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x, right? And plus 3 to the power of 2x plus 3 to the power of 2x, it will be 2 times 3 to the power of 2x, and minus this 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x is equal to 0. And in here, we factor 2 to the power of x. So this divided by this, it will be 2 to the power of x, and this divided by this, it will be negative 2 times 3 to the power of x. And from here, we factor 3 to the power of x. So we factor 3 to the power of x, and this divided by this, it will be 2 times 3 to the power of x, and this divided by this, it will be 2 to the power of x is equal to 0. The next step, in here we have 2 to the power of x minus 2 times 3 to the power of x, but in here we have 2 times 3 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x. So we can, in here, we can factor negative 1, so it will be 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x minus 2 times 3 to the power of x. If we factor negative 1 in here, it will be negative 3 to the power of x, and this divided by negative 1, it will be 2 to the power of x, and this divided by negative 1, it will be negative 2 times 3 to the power of x is equal to 0. So this and this are common, so we factor 2 to the power of x minus 2 times 3 to the power of x, this. So from here, this divided by this, it will be 2x, and this divided by this, it will be 3 to the power of x is equal to 0. So in here, we have two solutions for x. 2 to the power of x minus 2 times 3 to the power of x is equal to 0, and 2 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x is equal to 0. From here, we take this 3 to the power of x to this side, so it will be 2 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of x. In here, the base are not equal, but the power are equal. So this is impossible. This is possible if x is equal to 0. And if x is equal to 0, it will be 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 3 to the power of 0. And 2 to the power of 0 is 1, and 3 to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 is equal to 1. So from here, x is equal to 0. And from here, we take this to this side, so it will be 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 times 3 to the power of x. And we apply log to both sides of this equation, so it will be log of 2 to the power of x is equal to log of 2 times 3 to the power of x. And from here, if we have log of a to the power of b to the base c, we can write this as b times log of a to base c. We can take this b power of b outside of this log. So in here it will be x times log of 2 is equal to, in here if we have log of a times b, we can write this is a times b, we can write this as log of a plus log of b. So in here we can write this as log of 2 plus log of 3 to the power of x. So log of 2 plus log of 3 to the power of x. And it will be x times log of 2 is equal to log of 2 plus, we take this x outside of this log, so it will be x times log of 3. In next step, we take this to this side, so it will be x times log of 2 minus this x times log of 3 is equal to log of 2. And from here, x is common, so we factor x. It will be log of 2 minus log of 3 is equal to log of 2. And next step, we take this to this side, or we can divide both sides of this equation by log of 2 minus log of 3. So it will be x is equal to log of 2 over log of 2 minus log of 3. And log of 2 minus log of 3, from log rule, if we have log of a minus log of b, we can write this as log of a over b. We can write this as log of a over b. And from here, we write this as, here we have log of 2, and we write this as log of 2 over 3. And from log rule, if we have log of a over log of b, we can write this as log of a to the base b. So in here we can write this as x is equal to log of 2 to the base 2 over 3. And this is our final answer for x. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.